Hi everyone, this tutorial, if you watched the last tutorial, we did buttons using ActionScript 3, and we did a simple skipping button. There are more complex buttons, for example, buttons that link to external URL, buttons that link to buttons that skip, buttons that play the animation, and they're not more complex than the one we did. They just requires different syntax. But this tutorial will be focusing on ActionScript 2.0, and if you want to create the same button that we made last time using ActionScript 2.0. So just open a new ActionScript 2.0 document this time, and nothing's going to be different. Obviously, it's all going to look the same, just you're using a different form of an ActionScript, and we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to create the same button again, or the similar button. Okay. Make skip one more time. And the ActionScript 2.0 version of this is less complicated, or I guess involves less ActionScript. And it's definitely much easier. So I'm just going to create this in a button again. Skip. Okay. Do my little fancy mouse over. Okay, so basically we're done with the button. So now we're gonna open the Actions panel, and we're gonna click on this button and go in here, and we're gonna write on release. So when you release the mouse, or release the left click button, we're gonna go to and stop on frame 10, and that's all we need to do there. I'm going to create a new layer for actions, and this action will just tell it to stop on the first frame. So I'm just going to have it stop, and then I'm going to make something on frame 10 so it's not blank, and have another random piece of nonsense. And there we go. Now if I press Control Enter, click on skip, and there we go. It's done. Very simple. Compared to the ActionScript 3.0 version, the ActionScript 2.0 version is very, very simple. And that's it. You're basically done with your button in ActionScript 2.0 if you're using that. ActionScript 3.0, it's a little more complex, but generally the new features in ActionScript 3.0, I recommend you use that. But if you're a beginner, start with this one.